Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to lock Microsoft Outlook apps on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to open the Outlook. I'm gonna open it, or the applications. Now if you wanna lock the Outlook apps, you just have to go to your account icon here at the top left in the corner, and now we'll see the gear icon at the bottom, which is the settings. Just go ahead, and after in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the option which is the app lock. And if you want to lock your Outlook application, you just have to tap on the toggle beside the app lock like this, and it will be go to the next page here guys. This is an option which is choose your backup screen lock method. I'm gonna tap on this toggle beside turn on lock screen password. I'm gonna tap on it, and here you can set for the lock screen here guys. I'm gonna set it first for the simple password, and now for confirmation you just have to re-enter it. If you're done, it will be a look like this. You can set for your Face ID also you guys, but here I'm gonna scroll it down. I don't want to use this Face ID. I'm gonna tap on no thanks. So for the setup fingerprint also, you can scroll it down. If you don't want to edit, you just have to go to this no thanks. So yeah, this Microsoft Outlook application is already locked here guys. If I'm going to open it again, we go back and I'm going to open this application. We have to enter the PIN or the password first. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.